back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing some crimping on my hair. And I don't know if that's what it's like the proper term for it. Do you guys know what I mean? It's like the three barrel, the little wavy little zigzags on your hair. Is that what it's called? Crimping? I think. I don't know, but I just want to do a different look today, and I thought I would do that. So I've had this dinosaur for quite some time. It is like the oldest thing. Like, it doesn't even like function properly anymore because of how old it is. Like, I probably got it in like the 8th grade for Christmas. Yeah. So bear with me, children. I haven't actually crimped my hair in quite some time just because it takes a lot of time, and sometimes there's just no time for it, you know? So yeah, figured why not just do it, you know? I used to do my hair like this all the time in high school. It was like the shiz back then. I mean, it still is. Like, people are bringing it back. Like, you know, it's starting to come back. But back in the day, girl, it was like the shiznit. So I personally, I don't like to do every single strand on my head. Like, I just don't like to do. I just don't like the way it looks. So I just grab a few pieces here and there. I mainly do the whole top layer though, just so it can go all the way around and it can look like I'm, you know, make it look voluminous. But I don't like to do it all because I feel like it makes it look really poofy. I have a lot of hair, so it would take ages for me to do my whole hair. Call it is from Sally's. Like I said, I got it like 50 million years ago, and I got it at Sally's, and it was the only one they had because I remember during that time they were selling out pretty fast, and this was the only one I could find. I know they have different types of barrels, you know, so I'm sure today you can probably find quite a few of these. And then I also like to do this the night before I'm actually gonna wear the hairstyle. I guess it's everybody's personal opinion, but I don't like mine to be too exaggerated, you know? I want it to be slept on. I know that sounds really gross, but I don't like how they look, you know, freshly off the barrel. So I do sleep on them, and then the next day it's like the perfect amount of waves. Do you know what I mean? Does anybody else do that? So once I've done that little strand in the back, just personal preference, I mean, there's no right or wrong way to do it. There are some pieces that, you know what, I think I am just gonna crimp this little piece of hair. Okay. Okay, so once you are done with the top layer of your hair, and I've always liked to part my hair like that because just that's how natural my hairs go. You know, if I do it down the middle, I feel like there's some hairs everywhere. Yeah, it feels weird because I haven't done this in a while. Now, if you look at your hair, there are some everybody can have their own preferences. And then tomorrow I might like braid up here and do something like that. So then I'll go ahead and like crimp this one right here, you know, something like that. I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow still. So what I'm gonna do right now is just tie it up like that. Make it look a little cute. What is up, guys? We are about to go over to my mom's house and have a little barbecue for the 4th of July. So I'm gonna vlog a little bit of it. Llegó la fiesta! Ah!
How are you?
Si les dije que iba a traer. We are grilling some carne asada. Some corn.
Tan grandote y tan chido.
YouTube video idea. Oh. Hey! And then I'm gonna find the mother of this beauty. She is the one responsible for making this gorgeous.
I know how to do it. It literally just went down my throat like. That's all I did.
Anna. I need a chaser with my.
And I got them in there going, Drew, cut it shit. Chug. And she's like, I know.
The struggle of trying to get a self. Oh, shut up. The struggle. We all have to look good. Some of us.
Well, it saved as a video.
Have bad angles. So.
Freeze for a little. Okay, aquí métese todas. Jess, look that way.
Oh shit.
There you go. No, que po.
10 years later.
You know what?
Good morning, guys. It is the next morning from the 4th of July, and I had to be up bright and early because I had to take my brother-in-law to get his driver's test, and yeah, we've been up pretty early, and. And it's safe to say that he passed. Yay! so proud of him, but I am so tired. I hope everybody had a safe 4th of July. All right, guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.